Network mining.
Guys, Kekunume. Happy weekend. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending when you are seeing this video. All right, I want to quickly talk about this airdrop. B network. That's it on the screen there. All you have to do is go to Play Store, download the app, use your email, Gmail, to register, and of course make use of my referral code so that you will get some referral bonus. Then after that, you start your mining, use your NIN and do your KYC. This particular B network mining has been going on for more than 3 years now, so it's similar to PI. I think you should join. For now, they have not announced anything about TIG, so you're still early, and let's hope it will still cook just like others did. All right, thank you.